Now I know you loved the Mannequin Christmas tree we did a little while ago, and I did promise that there were other versions of that. So today we're going to look at another one which is actually even simpler than the one we did before. And all I'm going to be using is a normal Christmas tree. This is a 6-foot one, and a dressmaker's dummy. Now I've taken the stand off her and I've taken the top half off the tree, just the very top bit, and I'm just going to put them together. Now I find this mannequin's torso looks a little bit long and out of proportion to my taste, so I'm just going to add a few little branches at the base to shorten it visually. And now we get to dress her. And the first thing I do is to pop some lights on, and because we want this young lady to sparkle, we're giving her lots of lights. Going for a blue themed tree, so I've found this little top to put on her, but you don't have to do that. You can just get a chair sash or piece of fabric and just wind it around. My first decoration are these little blue poinsettias around the bottom. My next step was to add some bows in the same colours. And because our lady's a glamazon, I've added a few of these gorgeous oversized silver roses. So with her lights flashing and beautifully adorned, of course I had to give her some jewellery and even a little crown. And here she is, all complete. Can you believe how easy that is? Have fun creating your own.